Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. A small, silver-colored coin sitting forgotten in a drawer, holding a secret so powerful it could make you a millionaire overnight. That's the reality with the 1958 UK 2-shilling coin, a piece that, in the world of collectors today, has gained an aura of unimaginable wealth. More than just an old coin, this 1958 gem is a bicentennial-era treasure that can change your fortune if you happen to own it. If you're lucky enough to spot this coin in your collection, stop everything, because you might just be holding a key to instant riches. The 1958 2-shilling coin, often called the English florin, was minted during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, and its design alone tells a story of regal heritage and national pride. Struck in copper-nickel, this coin gleams with a silvery tone that still dazzles collectors today. It weighs 11.31 grams and measures 28.5 millimeters in diameter, giving it a solid, satisfying feel in the hand. But it's not the size, it's the scarcity, the condition, and the historical link that makes this piece a millionaire's dream. At the heart of its design is the famous Tudor rose, a bold symbol that represents the unity of England's warring factions. Around this majestic rose, you'll see delicate thistle, shamrock, and leek motifs, each representing Scotland, Ireland, and Wales. This floral unity bursts from the reverse of the coin, encircled by the words FID Def 2 shillings 1958. This isn't just a coin. It's a silver canvas telling the story of the United Kingdom's strength and unity, a detail that drives collectors wild with desire. Flip the coin, and you're greeted by the youthful effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, adorned with the laureate crown. This portrait by Mary Gillick is beloved among numismatists, capturing the hope and vigor of a new Elizabethan era. It's this regal image combined with the 1958 date, marking the second year of Queen Elizabeth's florins, that makes this coin a historical beacon and a magnet for high-stakes collectors. Now, here's where it gets thrilling. In very fine, VF condition, this coin's color deepens to a soft silver gray with subtle highlights, a patina that seasoned collectors crave. In VF grade, every detail of the Tudor rose and floral emblems remains sharp, though softly worn, giving the coin an elegant, time-honored appearance. Coins in this state can already fetch handsome sums, but rarer uncirculated examples have been known to ignite bidding wars that soar into 5 or 6 figures. What elevates the 1958 2-shilling coin to unimaginable heights is its connection to the broader bicentennial coin craze. As the United Kingdom celebrated 200 years of key historical milestones, collectors worldwide began snatching up anything from this period that echoed British heritage. The 1958 2-shilling, with its royal symbols and era-defining portrait, has become one of the most sought-after treasures in this bicentennial frenzy, transforming from a pocket coin to a millionaire maker. Rarity, of course, is the engine that drives these skyrocketing prices. While millions were minted, only a fraction have survived in very fine condition or better. Those that have avoided the ravages of time, oxidation, and heavy circulation are now fiercely fought over by elite collectors and auction houses. A rare specimen in top grade could easily be worth hundreds of thousands, and experts predict prices will continue to climb as supplies dry up and global demand intensifies. In today's red-hot collectibles market, where rare coins are seen as better investments than gold or stocks, the 1958 2-shilling has found a new audience among billionaire investors and international coin hunters. With high-profile sales and skyrocketing bids, this humble florin has stunned even seasoned experts, with whispers of certain rare die varieties or proof-like strikes commanding million-dollar price tags, enough to transform the lucky owner's life forever. This isn't mere speculation. Recent auctions have seen jaw-dropping results. Collectors from Asia, the Middle East, and America are now paying record-breaking sums for top-condition UK bicentennial coins, and the 1958 2-shilling sits at the heart of this gold rush. With every sale, the legend of this coin grows, and so does its power to catapult ordinary holders into the ranks of the wealthy elite. The design specifications only add to the coin's allure. Struck in 75% copper and 25% nickel, the metal composition offers a perfect balance, giving the coin strength, luster, and a beautiful silvery hue that resists tarnish. The edges are reeded, adding both grip and a touch of elegance, while the 28.5 millimeters diameter makes it larger and more impressive than many modern coins. For collectors, these specs aren't just numbers. They're the DNA of a numismatic masterpiece. If you're lucky enough to hold one, treat it like a crown jewel. Avoid cleaning it, as natural toning enhances its value. Store it in a protective capsule, and, before considering any sale, get it graded by a top-tier certification service, because the difference between very fine and uncirculated condition could mean the difference between a 5-figure and a 7-figure payday. This isn't just a coin. It's a key that could unlock your entrance into a world of unimaginable wealth. So, remember, the next time you stumble upon an old 1958 2-shilling coin, don't spend it, treasure it. This tiny silver disc carries the weight of British history, royal power, and life-changing potential. In today's market, it can turn ordinary people into millionaires or even billionaires overnight. This is more than money. This is fortune, destiny, and legacy all rolled into one dazzling coin. Hold it close, for you might just be gripping your future in the palm of your hand.